What kind of impact have you seen the ukuleles have in the classroom?
I think the kids love them. The kids are excited to play, which is half the battle. When you are teaching anything, is you want your students to love what they are doing. You want them to embrace what they're doing, and I think they love having the ukuleles. It's something new. It is a trendy kind of thing to do, and they're just loving being able to learn actually how to play it and get a good sound.
What's your favorite part of seeing the students interact with the ukuleles?
I think just watching them find some success with when they are getting a great sound, when they are figuring out how to make their fingers and their brain connect, and watching them, especially when we start to strum, it's like being a rock star, and they love it.
How instrumental was this grant in getting the ukuleles for the classrooms?
The grant was pretty much the only way we were getting the ukuleles. We were so pleased to be able to get this grant this year, because to buy the ukuleles, they are a fairly expensive purchase, and to have enough for an entire classroom, we did need the grant to make that happen for us. So it was exciting, so exciting when I knew that I was getting the grant for the ukuleles. I'm just very grateful, very thankful to the Education Foundation for granting us the money to purchase these ukuleles, and I know our students are thrilled as well, and we certainly will be showing some great things throughout the year.